Four battles that changed the world. 1. The Battle of Marathon, 490 BC. Imagine facing off against an army that's twice your size. That's what the Athenians faced at the Battle of Marathon, and they won. This epic victory over the Persians marked a turning point in the Greek Wars and helped preserve Greek democracy. 2. The Battle of Yorktown, 1781. The American Revolution's turning point came at Yorktown, where the combined forces of American and French troops trapped the British Army, leading to a decisive victory and eventual American independence. 3. The Battle of Waterloo, 1815. Napoleon's final defeat at Waterloo marked the end of his reign and the beginning of a new era of peace in Europe. This epic clash involved hundreds of thousands of soldiers and had a profound impact on the political landscape of Europe. 4. The Battle of Midway, 1942. Considered a turning point in World War II, the Battle of Midway saw the U.S. Navy deal a devastating blow to the Japanese fleet, shifting the balance of power in the Pacific.